Hey everyone, welcome back to Page to Plate. Today we'll be highlighting James Park's Chili Crisp Carbonara from his cookbook, Chili Crisp. James is a food writer and recipe developer who specializes in Korean cuisine. He is a self-proclaimed Chili Crisp ambassador with over 50 recipes in his book highlighting the unique, complex flavor that is Chili Crisp. In a large skillet over medium-low heat, cook the pancetta until it gets crispy, which will be about 5 minutes. Strain the rendered pork fat through a fine mesh strainer into a bowl and set aside. Transfer to a plate and set aside. In a separate bowl, mix together the 3 egg yolks, Parmesan cheese, chili crisp, and 1 tablespoon of the reserved pork fat. Boil the bucatini until al dente. Reserve half a cup of pasta water for later. Add the drained pasta to the egg yolk mixture and add about 2 tablespoons of pasta water while constantly tossing. Add the pepper and crispy pancetta and toss until the sauce is thickened and the pasta is well coated. Divide the noodles among the bowls and garnish with freshly grated Parmesan cheese and an egg yolk on top. Enjoy your Chili Crisp Carbonara. The list of ingredients and links to James's Instagram and cookbook are in the description below. Happy cooking, chefs!